house glue laundry detergent, and I'm using food coloring. Then you get your bowl or whatever you decide to mix it in, and a spoon or whatever you decide to stir it with. Open the glue and just throw out how much ever you need. As you can see, it's already giving it a slime. As you can see, turned into a slime. It may be sticky at first, but that's why just keep rolling and whatever until it, turns, adjust to